Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to create a high-converting SMS campaign from scratch using AdScale. While we have plenty of templates ready to go, sometimes you want full creative control. To start, just click on SMS Segments, select Start from Scratch, and hit Next to begin the setup. First, give your campaign a clear name. Then, set your sender ID. This is what your customers see, usually your store name, and it can be up to 11 characters long. Accuracy is key here. Make sure to include an opt-out link. It's absolutely necessary for compliance, and add your website URL starting with HTTPS. You can paste your link directly or just click the icon to autofill your store's URL. Alrighty, before we go live, I always recommend sending a test message to your own phone number right here to see exactly how it looks. Now, let's talk targeting. You can choose a specific segment, like abandoned carts, and even exclude certain groups, like your existing customers, to keep the offer fresh. If you have your own contact list, you can upload that file here too. To avoid over-messaging, I like to use the filter to skip anyone who received an SMS in the last 2 days. It keeps your brand helpful, not intrusive. Pretty simple, right? Next, just schedule your launch. Pick the exact date and time you want your message to hit their phones. For example, we can set this to go out just once, starting tomorrow morning. Hit Next, and you're almost there. If your SMS domain is already set up, you're good to go. If not, just follow the quick pop-up prompts, save your changes, and the system will verify everything within 24 hours. And that's it. Your custom SMS campaign is ready to start driving sales. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.